That was one biggest achievement for me that I met with our President Draupadi Murmu.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan and I train student into spoken English in Fizza Institute of English Language. Today with me one of my students, Sultan Ahmed, is available. He has recently completed his All India tour. He has just visited 4 different states of India and it was his first time to go to out of his city Punch, and now he is available with us to share his experience. Sultan, first of all I would like to introduce yourself with audience.
As my name is Sultan Ahmed and I am the student of 11th class, and now I did completed the 10th class. And sir, as I want to share our experience All India tour. It's my first tour to go outside of district Punch, and sir, I went in different 4 states like Lucknow, Delhi, Punjab and Haryana. And when I go there and I saw a lot of things which were different from our district Punch, as like transport system totally different from our district Punch.
Sultan, as this was your first tour to go outside your state, your district, and you have been observing a lot of things, and I just want to know that how will you differentiate Punch from other city or Jammu and Kashmir from other states?
Sir, I can say that the people of Punch, they are only indulging in the books. But the people of other like Rajasthan, the people of Rajasthan, people of Lucknow and people of New Delhi, they are totally different. Their mindset, their mentality and their thinking is totally different from us.
Yeah, Sultan, as you mentioned that the living style and the standard of living and their mentality, definitely when you belongs to the border states and when you belongs to a border area, so there are some separations on us. And as you mentioned that you visited the New Delhi, yes?
Yes, sir.
I just want to know your experiences like when we are available in Punch and we had a lot of news like pollution and all that, yeah?
Yes, sir.
How was your experience in Delhi?
Sir, my experience in Delhi that their cleanness and everything, single thing is good in Delhi, and their cleanliness, their transport system, every single thing is improving day by day.
Okay, Sultan, as you mentioned that in Delhi they have improved a lot. Definitely, it is the center of India, so there will be a lot of things which will be different from our city. I just want to know that how many people you were and whom you meet with there.
Sir, we went 12 people from district Punch, and in Delhi we met with our president Shri Draupadi Murmu.
Yeah.
And when I entered the president house, and then I learned one thing that was very fantastic for me, that in this building, in this building there are 340 rooms are available. And after when I met our president, and she told us that you should focus on your particular goal, you should do hard work, what you want to become in your life.
Yes, Sultan, definitely when someone who have achieved a lot in his life is giving you some advices, so that advices directly hit on our heart, and that advices become the inspiration of meeting with president, having shake hand with president, with vice president, as you mentioned. These are the big achievements of life, and usually people don't have, because it's as a student you got an opportunity which was a wonderful opportunity. How was your experience when you having the day with president?
Sir, I can say that is one of the best day for me, and that was one biggest achievement for me, that I met with our president Draupadi Murmu, and after that second day I met with our vice president C.P. Radhakrishna, and when I listened the speech of Shri Radhakrishna, and he was expressing his thought in English.
Yeah.
And he was speaking English, and when I listened complete his speech, and then I felt that English language is common for everyone, and also he was speaking. If we have the concept of English language, and then we can express our thought with everyone.
Sultan, as we all know that India is a diverse country, there are n number of languages which we usually have, like Hindi, English, Punjabi, as you mentioned that you were available in Punjab, and Rajasthan you would be having different language. So I want to know that how was your experience with different people when they were speaking different languages?
Sir, that was good for other, but I can say that we should improve our English language. If you know the English language, and then we can share our thought with everyone. As I met with the people of Russia country, and they was totally speaking in English, and some my friend they was not capable for listening them, and when they were listening to the people of Russia country, and they were asking to me that Sultan, do you understand what they are speaking? And I said yeah.
Yeah, definitely meeting with people like, as you mentioned, from Russia and different countries. When you are into the center, so it's not only you who are available. It's will people from different countries will be available. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you are going to having a great experience if you know a particular language which each and everyone know. So that language is English language definitely. But how will you define Urdu language?
Sir, I can say that in ancient time there was no the role of English language, and there had no source for improving English language. There was most of the people in ancient time they were speaking Urdu language, but Urdu language it is also one of the best language. But if you know the English language, and you can express your thought with everyone.
Yeah.
As I knowing the English language, and when I met with the people of Russia, and at that time I easily express my thought with the people of Russia, sir.
Yeah. So he was Sultan sharing his experiences with us, with all of the audience of my channel, and here he is achieving a very big achievement in a very young age, meeting with the president. So definitely it is a great achievement for him. So now the life that he is going to live afterwards, having experiences of different states, the people mentality as he mentioned, and the mindset of different people coming through from a very backward area and very remote area, Mandar and district Poonch. So it is going to be a life-changing journey for him. Congratulations, Sultan, that you have gone through a great journey, which will definitely transform your life one to another. And whenever you will be sharing this journey with others, so others will also inspire. Yes.
Yes, sir. As no, I am feeling that was my one of the best achievement, that I met with different people, and I saw the beauty of our country, I did check the different type of speeches, different type of languages that people were speaking. As I learned the English language from Fiza Institute of District Poonch, and that institute is one of the best institution which through you can learn English language. If you really want to, I can say that if someone really want to become a good speaker, and they should admit themselves in this academy, and if they spend some time in this academy, and definitely they will become a good speaker of English language.
Yes, so Fiza Institute of English Language is a training institute which transforms you completely into a great communicator and a great English speaker. If you wish to have a great fluency in English language and want to understand the core of the English language, so Fiza Institute of English Language is the best option. And at the conclusion, I would like to say that today Sultan is available with me, but you can also be with me having a discussion, having a broadcast like this one. If you have achieved any small achievement in your life that can be brought to people, that can be discussed. Thank you. Have a nice day.